Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel and let's start our session on New Hello English Book for 2021-2022 Prep 3 First Term. Now let's start with Unit 1. Its title is Around Town. Lesson 1 and 2. New vocabulary. Number 1. Aquarium. A glass building, usually open to the public, in which many different fish and other water animals live and can be watched or even studied. We go to the aquarium to see beautiful fish. 2. Botanical gardens. A large public garden where special plants are grown. We saw amazing types of plants in the botanical gardens. 3. Library. A place where books and magazines are available for people to use or to borrow. We can borrow books from the library. 4. Sports center. A place where people can practice various types of sports. He plays tennis in the sports center. 5. Lake. A lake is a large area of water surrounded by land. For example, Lake Timsah. Lake Timsah is a beautiful lake with beaches around it. 6. Monument. A monument is a statue, building, or something else made to remember a person or important event. 7. Traffic. Traffic is the movement of people or vehicles in the road. There was a horrible traffic accident on the way to work. 8. Corner. The place where two streets or passageways meet. Let's try the new coffee shop on the corner. 9. Station. A place where buses or trains regularly stop. The bus will leave the station at 11 a.m. Pollution. Pollution is anything that makes the earth dirty and unhealthy because it affects land, air, and water. Air pollution is a serious problem in every city. 11. Directions. Direction is the position towards which someone or something moves. Could you please give me directions to the aquarium? 12. Borrow. To take or use something for a period of time before returning it back. May I borrow your book, please? 13. Ruins. The state of being destroyed. We saw the ruins of the ancient city. 14. Nature reserve. A nature reserve is an area where animals and plants are protected and that has few buildings or homes. 15. Shopping center. A specially built area containing a lot of different shops. The new shopping center is close to the railway station. 16. Restaurant. A place where you can eat a meal and pay for it. We enjoyed our lunch at the restaurant. It was great. 16. Restaurant. A place where you can eat a meal and pay for it. We enjoyed our lunch at the restaurant. It was great. 17. Sphinx. An imaginary creature having the head of a man and the body of a lion. Beside the great pyramids at Giza stands a giant sphinx. 18. Village. A small community with a group of houses in a rural area. We spent a nice time during our trip to the village. 19. Peaceful. A place without noise. The beach was quiet and peaceful. 20. Ismailia. Ismailia is a beautiful and peaceful city in Egypt. 21. Museums. A building in which objects of historical, scientific, or cultural interest are stored or exhibited. We saw huge statues at the Egyptian Museum. Now it's practice time. Let's answer some questions together. Okay, let's start. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Now it's time to learn some new important collocations with go, do, and give. Go swimming. Go shopping. Do homework. Do things or do many things. Or do new things, okay? Give. Give directions or give advice. There are many important expressions used in giving directions. Let's know them. Go straight on. Go past or walk past. Turn right or turn left. On the right, on the left, on the corner. Take the first or take the second, etc. Note that we use in when the corner is inside, and we use on when the corner is outside. New expressions. Run through. The canal runs through the city. More than usual. He slept more than usual. Come home by. She usually comes home by taxi. Especially at the weekend. We meet our grandfather especially at the weekends. Remember that especially means more than usual. Another group of expressions. Find places on the map. How many places can you find on the map? With beaches around it. The castle looks wonderful with beaches around it. It's a good place too. The beach is a good place to relax. At the sports center. They spent a nice time at the sports center. Important adjectives. They are used to describe places, people, or things. Attractive, boring, modern, ancient, famous, unknown. Now, let's practice again. Let's check our answers. Now, let's practice again. Let's check our answers. Now, it's your turn. Try to do the homework and send it in the comments. If you liked our videos, do not forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel to attend all the sessions with us. Waiting for your questions and for your answers. Thanks. Goodbye.